Hey, welcome back to CYB TV. This is Cherish. If you guys haven't seen my full wash day routine, then I highly recommend that you go watch that. But I'm going to just jump into this blow dry routine that I do and the review on the Revlon one-step blow dryer and styler. So what I'm doing here is just combing out my sections. I start with the wide tooth comb and then the Denman brush, and then I braid it up on the side. So I'm going to show you this for all of the sections. I'm just wetting down the sections because I normally do all of this straight out of the shower, but it's been a while and my hair dried up, so that's why you see me using the spray bottle. But I section off my hair and I just spray it with the water. Then I go in with my leave-in conditioner, and then I comb it out with the comb and then the Denman brush and braid it back up. So I'm just going to continue on doing this until all of my sections are fully detangled and combed out. And then we're going to get into the blow drying. But here is the texture shot of my hair after it's been combed out and detangled. So once I'm finished with all of the sections, you guys, it is time to do this review on the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. You can see that is the packaging that it comes in at the top. And I'm actually going to put the blow dryer on the low setting first because that's how I like to blow dry my hair, on the low setting first and then work my way up to the high setting. But what I do is unravel the sections and then I begin to blow dry. And as you can see on the square on the right, on the top, this is just the side of the box that the styler comes in, and it lists all the good things that it does and so on and so on. But I've already begun to blow dry, you guys, and I'm not really going to talk throughout this whole process. I just want you guys to watch because I'm leaving all of that extra details and what I use, and of course the honest review that I'm going to give at the end of the video. So please stay tuned till the very end. And yeah, this is how I blow dry my hair, you guys, for when I straighten my hair. And yes, it gives me the best results. So keep on watching. Okay, so I finished my hair. I finished blow drying it. And as you guys saw, I was using this first. And I'm just going to jump right into it. Yeah, this thing takes forever to just dry a section of hair. I mean, you guys saw I kept going over it and over it and over it, and I just felt like I was putting too much heat on my hair. And I started on the cool setting like I showed you guys. I started on the low setting, and then I went to high. Once I always do that when I blow dry. I start on the low end, and then I just get it kind of stretched out, and then I go on the high end so I won't have the heat blasting on my hair the whole time. Well, this took forever. Like, seriously, I was just like, and it's lightweight, so it's not heavy, but I was just like, oh my gosh. And then I didn't like the way it blow dried my hair. I felt like it was too feathery, which I don't like my hair like that because I have fine hair anyway. So I feel like feathery blow dry just kind of makes me have flyaways, and it's just not the way I like my hair to feel after it's been blow dried. So as you guys saw, I went on and switched on to my regular blow dryer, which is the Silver Bird by Conair. And this thing is pretty heavy, but I used the comb attachment. And this one I've been using for over a year now, and I just love the way this blow dries my hair. So I had to switch from this Revlon one to this one because I'm on a time crunch. So as you guys probably saw, that this took less time to blow dry a section. I literally blow dried the rest of my sections in like 5 minutes, like 5-7 minutes. And it just is really good. I use the one setting first, and then I use it on the second one, and it just really gets my hair nice and blow dried the way I like it. And that way when I go to flat iron it, I only have to do one pass, and I use the flat iron on 420. But anyways, this is the way I like my hair to look after it's been blow dried. And then also I use my Cool Shot setting because after I finish blow drying my hair, I like to go in with the Cool Shot setting to seal in all the moistures. You guys saw how I used my Vidal Sassoon color heat protectant, and since I just dyed my hair back to black, it works perfectly. I've been using that for almost like 2 years, over 2 years. So all in all, I would give this product a no-go for me. It's cute. It's a nice concept, but it's loud too. I forgot to tell you guys. It's super loud. Like, it's louder than this. It's louder than this one, and this one is, to me, more heavy duty, but this one is too loud for it to not get it straight. So I wanted to try this out, so I went on and bought this. So I'm not sponsored. I don't know why I laugh when I said that, but it's not sponsored. So I bought this for myself with my own money just to try it out, and honestly, it's not all the hype that I saw other YouTubers you know, rave about, and I just like to try things for myself. So yeah, my honest review is that this is a no-go for me. I'm gonna stick to the hairdryer that I have until I find another good one, but I'm all for trying new things, but this one is like a no-go. It just takes too long, and I just don't have the time, and like I said, it's loud, and I do not like how it blow dried my hair. Like this section, when I showed you guys the difference between blow drying this section with this, and then I pinned that up, and then I went on and started using this with this section, but it just was taking too long, so I switched. I kind of stopped so you guys can see how this side is straighter and more, you know, stretched than this side. This side still looks like it was like needed to be blow dried out more. But all in all, I'm gonna stick to my Silver Bird by Conair. This Revlon one, I don't like it. That's just my honest review. But anyways, it's time to flat iron my hair. So if you guys want to see how I flat iron my hair, be sure to check out that video. The link will be in the description. And yeah, this is it for the blow dry, my blow dry routine. Voila. This is it.